Well, hello. You're watching Alexa, and in today's video, I'm going to be trying on items that I've decluttered from my closet. If you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know I've been on a decluttering kick. I have gone through my makeup collection, my wardrobe. 6 months ago, I did a video where I decluttered my closet, and someone left a comment asking to see the items that I was decluttering. And at that point, I had already brought the things to Salvation Army and kind of just got rid of the items that were in question. But this last weekend, I decided to comb through my wardrobe again, and I removed items that I no longer wish to keep, and that's why I'm filming this video today. If you enjoy videos like these, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you're always notified of when I post new videos. Let's get into it. The first item is this blazer from H&M. Originally marked at $59.95 and I got it for $30. It's in a US size 8 or a European size 38. So right off the bat, I have one button missing, but I actually have it in the pocket, and there's also an extra in the seam. I'm not a fan of the lining personally because it's polyester, and I know a lot of things have polyester lining, but it's just the kind where you feel like if you sweat, it's going to stick to you. I actually got this with an H&M gift card for $500 when I won a contest. So I was kind of spending belligerently almost because I was just buying whatever fit and whatever I thought was cute at the time. And as you can see, I never took off the price tag, meaning I never actually wore this item, and I've had it for at least 8 years. So this is definitely going to be a no-brainer for me. I'm not keeping this. The other thing I want to say that you really need to be wary of with fast fashion are tags like this, red tags, or any tags that are with markdowns of 30, 40, 50, 60, whatever % off. These things will trigger you. You can look this up. I am not a psychologist or anything like that, but it has been shown that marking prices like this actually influences you to buy. I don't know about you guys, but when you go shopping, do you ever feel high when you buy things? You kind of feel really excited. Wow, I got this really good deal and I'm gonna look for my next hit. Shopping is like crack, and they do tags like this on purpose because they know that you are going to get so excited when you see markdowns. Yes, we are all kind of looking for a bargain, but you should be looking for a bargain on things that you already need, not things you don't need. Like this blazer that I've never worn. This is insane. This is money in the garbage. The next item I have is this blazer from Mango. This is a wool blend blazer from their suit line. I had the matching shorts. I used to wear this. It was back when like there was kind of a 60s mod chic style thing going on because the blazer has a 3/4 length sleeve. I could see where this boxy cut would look good on some people, but for me, it doesn't work with the rest of my wardrobe. I think it's very cute and all, but this is just not practical for me. I live somewhere where it's very cold, and if I'm gonna wear a jacket, I need a sleeve. And when I don't need a sleeve, it's typically too hot to wear stuff like this. So I'm in this really awkward place where it's never the right weather to wear this. I can never find the right occasion to either. So I'm afraid I'm going to have to let this go. And I'm thinking of actually opening a Depop account and putting some things up that I think are worth selling. And if not, then they're going to go to Salvation Army. The next item is this sweater blazer from H&M. Thankfully, I actually did wear this. This is a size small, and it's made from 100% acrylic. That's the only setback, I guess. As you can see, it fits a bit big for a size small. The issue I have with this is it's kind of a sweater blazer, which again doesn't really suit my style. I would probably go for a cardigan or a pullover instead. It's not lined either, which is kind of Next, I have this kind of oversized shirt from H&M. Now, I bought this because it was, I think, $10. I liked the fabric a lot. It's like this stretchy kind of material, but it has these like fluffy ruffles on the sleeve, which at first I thought, oh, I'm gonna be so cute, I'm gonna wear these ruffles, but this actually adds pounds to my body because I have a chest, and then like this just adds more. I wore this, I want to say 2 times, and the second time I wore it was recently because I thought, oh, I haven't worn this shirt and I've kept it. I might as well put it on, try it out, And it was when my boyfriend and I went for a casual supper, and when I took off my jacket, he was like, whoa. And I was like, what's wrong? And he's like, oh, that shirt doesn't really look like your style. And then I thought, you know what? He's right. Why am I keeping this? Because I feel guilty that I bought something on sale and that I should wear it. What can I say? I would prefer without the ruffles and more fitted, something more flattering to my body type, but this just doesn't work for me. So next I have this really cute top from Forever 21. I absolutely love the sleeves. I love this stuff on the sleeve. It's totally my jam. But it's an elasticated top at the waist, and I bought it when I was a bit skinnier. I'm not into this strap scenario. I currently do not own a strapless bra, and I'm hunting for one, but I have a couple of strapless shirts that are in more or less this style, but they are elasticated up here, and they're really cute. But I just don't feel great in this one. I don't love the way that I look in this area, and I didn't really think this out before buying it. I just kind of bought it because I wanted a red top with bell sleeves, but I just feel like the fit could be so much better, and I don't reach for it often enough, so I think that someone else could enjoy this potentially. Here's another top with bell sleeves, and this one is from H&M, and it's also red, and I thought this was really cute. I wore this top to a PR party with a black skirt, and I really loved the way that it photographed and looked, but I wore it with a purse of mine that has unfinished leather, and it actually ripped up the shoulder of it a bit. It's all torn, and I find the material to be really scratchy and just overall uncomfortable, particularly for the summertime when this top is designed to be worn. It has also a cutout in the back, which is really cute, but again, like, the material is really uncomfortable, and now that it's damaged on the back, it just doesn't look very good. All right, next I have this top from French Connection. I find that the flared bottom is a bit dated, and I think it would look better on silhouettes that are different than what I typically wear. So, I mean, it goes down low on the back, but my issue is that it is tight on the shoulders, and I don't really like the way that I look in this top anymore. For those reasons, it's time to let this one go as well, but I did wear it quite a bit, and it was well loved, so I don't feel totally bad about this one, but I feel like it had its moment in my wardrobe, and it doesn't belong in my wardrobe anymore. There are so many things happening with this top. Okay, first of all, the story behind this is I did not buy this. I took this from my mom's closet because it fit me and she was decluttering her closet. So I thought, okay, let me try some things. It's kind of like shopping secondhand for free. I took this one top, and a few months rolled by and I never wore it. I mean, can you blame me? You can see the lining of the pocket through the top. What the fuck were they thinking? There are these weird stitched lines, and then there's embroidery here, and the length is super awkward. You can't really tie this, like it's not long enough, and well, I mean, it is, but it isn't. It looks stupid. Don't ask me what I was thinking when I took this from my mom's closet. I don't know why I took this. Like, it's just really unflattering. Yeah, so there. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm just going to remind you to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already, and hit that like button. It helps me a lot. Or check me out on Instagram via Alexa Likes. Bye.